Hello there, people. This is Mislav from the other side of the screen, and today we are just going to talk about users. And basically, I just want to do this really quick video where I just explain to you what are users. So user essentially means user of the computer, right? Because, I think that maybe some of you computer. Anyway, I misspelled this, so don't look at this. Some of you may encounter that term and you're not really sure what it means. Well, basically, users are people who use the computer, and every user has a user account associated with him or her. And that means that multiple people can use the computer, and it is desirable that each one of them has their own account. Okay? So that's it. And that's it for this video. It was pretty short. Yeah. See you in the next one.